Hiring HR assistant. Industry steel manufacturing. Position HR assistant. Location Jamuria, West Bengal. Qualification any bachelor's degree. Experience freshers or 6 months to 3 years. Gender male or female. A steel manufacturing company is hiring an HR assistant for its Jamuria, West Bengal location. Candidate with freshers to 3 years of experience can apply. Key responsibilities: support recruitment and talent acquisition activities, assist with employee relations and HR operations, manage onboarding and documentation activities, support training and development initiatives, coordinate with employees and manage on HR related activities. Eligibility: any bachelor's degree freshers can apply. Candidate with 6 months to 3 years of experience can also apply. Male and female candidates are eligible. अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड है इस जॉब के लिए तो दिए गए नंबर पर कांटेक्ट करके अपना अपडेट्स भी भेज सकते हैं और अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। जॉब लोकेशन जमूरिया, वेस्ट बंगाल। थैंक यू।